What is up, V Nation? Welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I will be showing you how to replace front brake pads on this Mercedes E350. So first things first, as you guys can see, it's almost metal to metal. It's got about 2 millimeters or less. So the first thing is we will be removing this clip. So I usually use a vice grip and then pry bar and push it forward and pull out, and it should come out just like that. So I loosen the bleeder screw and then squeeze back the piston, as you guys can see. Now I'm loosening the 13mm bolts for the caliper. So next is those two bolts for the bracket, which is 17mm. So I'm gonna get some work out over here. So you gotta remove one of that screw. It's a Torx T25 or T35, I believe. Then give it a good smack, and it should release just like that. So here I'm just gonna give it a quick clean with a brake clean and then apply anti-seize so that the rotor won't get stuck again. Just like that. So right here guys, as you guys can see, there's barely any pads left on the brake pad. So that's kind of stuck. I'm just gonna give it a lub tap with a little hammer, and there you go. Should pop up just like that. So this is the other side guys, and it has a sensor. So when your pads are worn down, it will put a light on your dash instrument panel saying that brake pads is low. So when you get the parts, make sure you match everything up: the pads, the rotors, and the sensor, just so that everything is perfect and you won't have any problems putting back in. So reverse removal procedure guys. Right here I'm putting back the screw that holds the rotor in place. Give it a quick clean. And then next up, I will be installing the bracket. Give that a quick spray of brake clean as well, just to get rid of some dust accumulated there. So once again, those are two 17mm bolts, and make sure that they are tight, because the last thing you want is for those bolts to back off, and it's gonna be a bad day. So I'm using an electric ratchet here to suck it up in place, but I'm gonna tighten it by hand just to make sure. That should be snug pretty good, and it's moving nice and free, not making any noise, so we're good. Now it's time to put the brake pads in place. So I usually put a little bit of lube in there. This is to prevent noise, brake squeals. Yeah. Anything with metal-to-metal contact, I usually add a little bit of that. Same thing on the other pad. Again, where it's gonna touch metal to metal. Sometimes when you apply the brakes, it will make like a pad slap if there's nothing in between it to cushion the noise. But then again, everyone's different, so that's just how I do my brake jobs. It's totally up to you guys if you want to put those when you're doing it. So yeah, it just slaps in just like that, and then make sure that the sensor is put on properly. So as I will be showing you guys, make sure you line it up first before you stick it in the hole. Those were two 13mm bolts, by the way, and then the new brake pads come with new bolts. And it's got a thread lock in there. I guess it's to prevent it from backing off. Again, I usually double tighten it by hand after using the electric ratchet. So right here, guys, it's pretty hard to mess this up. It can only go in one way anyways. So yeah, just put it in like so, and then I usually use like a little plier to push it in place just like that. And that's how you do front brake pads on this Mercedes, guys. It's pretty simple. Oh, and to pop the clip back in, you just push it in place. So just like that, guys, you will hear it snap in place once you push it in there like that, and you can actually see it too. So next step is to add brake fluid. It's .4 for most European cars. They take .4. I guess it's more heat resistant than .3. So this process, guys, I usually ask my buddy to come and bleed with me, so he will pump the brakes while I open the bleeder screw to let the air out, and then we keep doing that until I see no air in the system, and then top up the fluid, and that's pretty much it.
Turn the wheel this way, other way.
So right here he's pumping the brakes, and then when I open this up, he's pushing down, and then brake fluid should come out like that.
Bob!
As you guys can see, it's shooting pretty good, no air in the system, so I'm only gonna do this twice on each side, and it should be good. So if you guys are by yourself, there's a way to do this too. Usually I just open the bleeder and then just gravity bleed it and make sure that the fluid doesn't run out. So keep checking and filling it up. But to save time, someone's there, so it's faster this way for us. But there's a lot of different ways. So right now I'm just putting the wheel back in. I'm gonna take it for a ride. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the car.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vin Dadi. So today we have a 2014 Mercedes E350. I just did front brakes on it. This is a convertible, guys. So right now I'm just taking it for a road test, making sure that brakes are working good now. Very, very nice Mercedes 2-door. It's a fairly easy job to do. Anyways, guys, I'm just gonna show you guys what this Mercedes E350 looks like. So put it in park. Fancy car, guys. Pretty nice. So let me show you guys the interior. There's the interior. It's a 2-door, 4-passenger convertible. Here's the button for the convertible. You just flip that up and press that button, and the top should come up. Check out that fancy clock in the middle. Here's your seat controls to move the seat front and back. This is for the back, and then this is your lumbar, I believe. There's your window operation. So yeah, pretty nice, pretty nice. Check out the seats. Harman Kardon speaker. It says right there, Harman Kardon. So to put it on drive, you just press on the brake and you push this down. Here we go. Pretty cloudy today, guys. Nice. I'm gonna step on it. Oh yeah. So once again, guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. Please continue to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.